Alright, hello and welcome. This is my everyday makeup. I'm just putting e.l.f. primer all over. Now the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I put it on, the normal areas, under my eyes. I'm also watching The Kissing Booth #2 right here, so that's why I'm laughing and watching, because it's so ridiculous. And you know what I'm saying. I can't with that movie, but I had to watch it. So I put it on my pimples, under my eyes, highlights of my face, to become a goddess, or more of a goddess than I already am. I'm blending with a Real Techniques brush. I've literally had this brush since I was 14. Yes, I clean it. Sometimes. None of your business. So deal with it. More blending. Yeah, I literally did this at 7 o'clock at night just to film this video, because I was bored. Right, next I'm going in with the Coty Airspun powder. I'm taking an e.l.f. powder brush, putting it all over my face because, oh, there's something in my eye. We love that. And I'm just powdering, powder. I never knew, did you know when girls go to powder their nose, it's like they're going to the bathroom or something? I don't even know. I'm looking through my stuff, getting annoyed at the movie. Okay, next I'm using the butter bronzer, and this stuff smells like heaven. Literally one of the only things that I've rebought. This is my second one, and it helps me in the morning when I'm sad and don't want to get ready to go to work or school. I smell it and I'm cured. Okay, this next one is because that was the only blush next to me and I haven't used it in a year, but it's Wet n Wild blush in the coral one with some gold sparkles, because we like to look like we're sunburned even though I stay inside because quarantine. Yeah. Next is this e.l.f. baked highlighter that I've had also since I was 14, but it still works great, and I'm just putting that wherever I want it to glow like I'm made of the sun. Next is the e.l.f. brow gel. Yes, I love e.l.f. because it's cheap and it's actually really good. This thing's only $2. I bought 5 of them. So yeah. Next is the Lash Sensational from Maybelline. Sometimes I curl my lashes. I didn't this time because I'm not actually going anywhere, and I'm literally gonna wash this off in 30 minutes and watch more Netflix. So haters can hate, but mascara makes me create good things. I don't know. My rhyming will get better. You'll see. You'll see, world. See, world. Yeah, this is just me showing off my makeup. Wow. What a queen. Thank you, everyone. And see.